Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chrysler 200C, stock number B9081XA. 65,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade. We sold this 200 brand new, Granite Crystal Metallic in color. After our thorough inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This 200C has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system. All controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 9-speed automatic transmission is put into sport mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated front seats. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation to get you where you need to go. And Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. That 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that certified warranty protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 9081XA to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.